In this video, I will be sharing with you the quickest and the fastest way to send money to your NCB account from overseas. So whether you're in Canada, UK, United States, the steps are the same, right? And the money will be available within your bank account instantly. To achieve this, you will need to use Remitly. You can use the website or you can use the mobile app, right? So to get started, you can hit the link in the description below. It will take you to Remitly's website. Once you're there, from the drop down, select the sending country. And then you're going to select the country which you're sending to. Then you simply select join now. And all you need to get started here is your email address and your password. And you'll be able to log in, right? So I'm going to sign in my account right now. So because I already sent money using this app, my recipient information is here. So in your case, you'll be adding a new recipient, right? Very straightforward. Here we're going to be basically specifying how much we want to send. And it gives you an estimate of how much a recipient will receive. So select continue. Select your delivery speed. So we're going to go with express. And for the delivery method, here you're going to select debit card deposit. Now one thing to note, this option only works with Visa card for now. And here you'd specify the recipient card number and then it will ask you for your address. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to step back and select my existing card information. So again, the steps are pretty much the same from the mobile app. So I'm just going to step back, start over. And here, I'm just going to select this recipient that I already added. Select continue. So this is how I want to pay. So I'm going to select my card information. This is just a summary of the transaction. And our delivery promise. Money will be available at 10:52 EST on Sunday. What time is it? 10:48, right? So I'm just going to scroll down to the end and hit send. So here I'm just going to select send money. So the transfer has been completed. Time is now 10:48. Let's log into my NCB account and check. So this is the transaction right here, $11,153. And the time when it was deposited, 10:48, right? That's literally how fast it is. And this is the exact amount that we sent. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.